Here at the Etsy Little Water Recycling Plant, we have produced over 165 billion gallons of water, and so that's very significant. So the investment has been very successful in terms of developing local supplies for our area.
We've invested over $600 million in all these facilities to deliver 40 million gallons a day of new drought-proof water that saves water that has to be imported from miles away.
In this day and age, the biggest benefit is that you're not importing water from ecosystems hundreds of miles away, whether it's the Colorado River or whether it's the Bay Delta region up near in the San Francisco Bay Area.
And the largest lift of water by height and volume is over the Tehachapi Mountains to bring water from Northern California down to here. So we're saving energy as well. This plant actually has a solar array over its reservoir, so 10% of our power comes from solar.
The good news within this region is there's actually been a pretty good job in cleaning up the effluent that's going into Santa Monica Bay and some of our local waterways. You could always do better. And so by recycling water, that means there's going to be less pollution going into those waterways.
There are economic dislocations as the state has ordered that water use be reduced by over 25% in some communities. Here in the West Basin area, because of the fact that you have this recycled water available, the cutbacks will not apply to the refineries, they will not apply to the golf courses, they will not apply to the schools, they will not apply to commercial areas, and therefore it'll sustain the economy in a way that some economists have said is difficult to pin a value on. Because the value is enormous, and the value could be comparable to the economy of the region.
So the benefits of this whole system is a drought-proof supply that's independent of weather conditions, climate change.
I'm very proud of what West Basin has done. We kind of been ahead of the game. Back in 1995, we saw the vision to invest in drought-proof supplies. And we have control over that. We don't have control over the climate. We don't have control over how much imported water we get. So we can only control what we develop here locally.
It is the most sustainable future supply we have. And as we continue to chew up this planet by using resources, adding more people, we have to find more sustainable ways of doing business. This is the way to do it.